Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to buy a Binance gift card. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser. This works for any phone or PC user. And then in Google, type in Binance gift card. And if you scroll down, there's a website called gta.com. Buy Binance crypto gift cards online. So click into that. And then you got a few different options. 25 USDT, 50, 100, 500, etc, etc. So just find which one you want to buy. So for this example, I'm going to do the $100 USDT. And now simply click on add to cart. The prices are varied depending which country and state you're in. So now I've got 2 in here, so I'm just going to make that 1. And then you need to enter in your email so they can send you the order. So I've entered in my email address here. Easy and secure payments, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and 30 more. So if you click on continue to payment. Alright, now it's telling you to sign in or create an account. So I'm going to quickly do that now. Or you can get quick access with Google+, Facebook, PayPal. But for this example, I'm going to just use my email address. I'm going to create a password. Alright, the password's been created. Then click on create account. Alright, welcome to gta.com. Check your inbox for an email from us to finish the creation of your account. So I'm going to go ahead and check my email account. Alright, there's the email from gta.com. Click into it. Click the button to finish creating your account. So I'm going to click on create account. Alright, email confirmed. And then click here if you're not automatically redirected. Alright, now I want to click on continue to payment again. Alright, then you'll be brought to this page, so just choose your payment method. I'm going to click on Bitcoin. Total price 116. Click on continue. Like I said, it'll differ from where you're living and what country you're in. Alright, just follow along with this. So yeah, that's it guys. How to purchase a Binance gift card. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.